Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your everyday apps. Today, we're tackling something that's super useful: how to cancel a transaction on Sendwave in 2025. If you've ever sent money through this popular international transfer app and had second thoughts, you're in the right place. Sendwave makes it straightforward, but let's go through it step by step so you can handle it with ease. First things first, fire up the Sendwave app on your phone or log in via the website. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates. It's all about staying current. Once you're logged in, head straight to the Transactions tab. This is usually right in the main menu, front and center for quick access. Now, scroll through your transaction history until you spot the one you want to cancel. Each transaction will show details like the amount, recipient, and its current status. Pro tip: only pending transactions can be canceled, so double-check that it's not already processed or completed. If it is, you might need to contact support instead. If your transaction is eligible, tap on it to open the details page. Look for the Cancel Transaction button. It's often highlighted in red or with a clear icon to grab your attention. Go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to confirm your action, so take a quick moment to review everything. This step helps prevent any accidental mistakes. After confirmation, Sendwave will process the cancellation, and you should see a success message on screen. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for a confirmation from Sendwave. It might take a few minutes. And remember, if the funds were already deducted, they should be refunded to your account soon. That's all there is to it. Canceling a transaction on Sendwave is quick and hassle-free when you follow these steps. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.